I'm going to be showing you how to use Cloud Step in Where Winds Meet. So what Cloud Step actually does is that Cloud Step is a mystic skill that lets you out of combat. So you can just leap high into the air and slam down and jump to marked spots in the environment when a prompt appears, like in Yellow Boot or icon markers on roofs or hills. You cannot freely aim the jump anywhere, only specific marked locations. So using Cloud Steps in combat, when fighting enemies, use Cloud Steps to rapidly close the distance to an opponent. You'll stomp on the enemy's shoulders, dealing physical damage. It's especially effective against mounted enemies and those with unstable poise, helping break their balance or disrupt them. You can just lock onto an enemy or ensure they're near the center of your camera. Just activate Cloud Steps and your character will dash or jump into them and perform the stomp attack. So in this way you can successfully use Cloud Step in Where Winds Meet. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.